Aging is inevitable, but losing muscle doesn't have to be. Sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength, affects many seniors, making daily tasks harder, reducing balance, and increasing the risk of injury. While legs are often touted as a protein powerhouse, they're not the only solution. There are better foods, habits, and strategies that can help seniors rebuild muscle, regain strength, and feel more energetic. Below, we dive into 7 pillars that fight sarcopenia naturally. 1. Protein-rich alternatives. Fuel your muscles right. Protein is the building block of muscles. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein, so seniors need higher quality sources to maintain and rebuild muscle. Why protein matters. Muscle repair. Protein provides amino acids, which are essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle fibers after activity. Metabolism boost. Lean muscle mass increases your resting metabolic rate, helping burn calories even while at rest. Satiety and weight management. Protein-rich foods keep you full, preventing overeating and supporting healthy body composition. Top protein sources for seniors. Lean meats, chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef provide high-quality protein with essential amino acids. Fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines offer protein plus omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation. Dairy and Greek yogurt, excellent for both protein and calcium, supporting muscles and bones. Plant-based proteins, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and edamame provide amino acids and fiber. Protein supplements, whey, pea, or soy protein powders can be convenient, especially for those with decreased appetite. Practical tips include protein in every meal. For instance, pair oatmeal with Greek yogurt and nuts for breakfast. Aim for a spread of protein throughout the day, not just in one meal, to maximize muscle synthesis. Experiment with plant-based options to reduce cholesterol intake while maintaining high protein levels. 2. Resistance training. Build strength safely. Muscles grow in response to stress, and resistance training is the safest and most effective way for seniors to stimulate growth. Why resistance training works. Muscle fiber activation. Lifting weights or using resistance bands triggers micro tears in muscle fibers, which then rebuild stronger. Bone density support. Stress on bones during resistance exercises promotes bone strength and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Hormonal boost. Regular training increases growth hormone and testosterone levels, which are critical for muscle maintenance. Beginner-friendly exercises. Body weight movements, squats, wall push-ups, seated leg lifts, and bridges are gentle yet effective. Resistance bands. Lightweight bands add resistance without heavy weights, perfect for joint safety. Free weights, dumbbells or ankle weights can be gradually incorporated as strength improves. Functional training. Movements like sit-to-stand, step-ups, and carrying groceries simulate real-life activities. Tips for seniors. Start slow, with 2 to 3 sessions per week, and allow recovery between workouts. Focus on major muscle groups, legs, back, chest, arms, and core. Always maintain proper form to prevent injury. Consider working with a physical therapist or personal trainer for guidance. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids, reduce inflammation, boost muscle. Omega-3s are essential fats that support heart health, reduce inflammation, and help muscles repair efficiently. How omega-3s help muscles. Reduce chronic inflammation, which can impair muscle recovery. Promote muscle protein synthesis, essential for building new muscle tissue. Improve joint health, making exercise easier and more comfortable. Best sources. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, trout, and mackerel. Plant-based options. Chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, walnuts. Supplements. Fish oil or algae-based omega-3 capsules if dietary intake is insufficient. Practical tips include at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds on oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Combine omega-3 intake with resistance training for maximum effect. 4. Vitamin D. Calcium. support muscles and bones. Strong muscles need strong bones. Vitamin D and calcium are critical for bone density and indirectly support muscular strength. Vitamin D helps calcium absorption for stronger bones, supports immune function and muscle performance. Seniors are prone to deficiency due to reduced sun exposure. Calcium found in dairy, fortified plant milks, leafy greens, and almonds, essential for bone structure and muscle contraction. Practical tips: spend 10–20 minutes in sunlight daily to boost vitamin D naturally. Consider vitamin D supplements if levels are low. Check with a doctor. Pair calcium-rich foods with vitamin D for optimal absorption. 5. Adequate sleep, muscle recovery and hormonal balance. Sleep is when muscles repair, growth hormones are released, and energy is restored. Poor sleep sabotages muscle-building efforts. How sleep affects muscle growth: hormone peaks during deep sleep, stimulating muscle repair. Inadequate sleep increases cortisol, which breaks down muscle tissue. Poor sleep reduces energy, making it harder to exercise consistently. Sleep strategies for seniors: maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Create a calm bedtime routine, reading, light stretching, or meditation. Limit caffeine and screens before bed. Ensure a comfortable, dark, and quiet sleep environment. 6. Hydration. Muscles need water. Water is often overlooked but essential for muscle function and recovery. Dehydration can reduce strength, flexibility, and endurance. Hydration benefits: supports nutrient delivery to muscles, improves joint lubrication, reducing injury risk, enhances exercise performance and recovery. Practical tips: aim for regular water intake throughout the day, not just during meals. Include hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges. Monitor urine color. Pale yellow indicates good hydration. 7. Consistent small meals keep muscles fed. Seniors often eat less per meal, which can reduce protein availability for muscles. Frequent, protein-rich meals ensure a steady supply of nutrients. Why small, frequent meals work: prevents long periods without amino acids, supporting continuous muscle repair, helps maintain energy levels and blood sugar stability, makes nutrient intake manageable for seniors with smaller appetites. Practical tips: include protein in each meal, Greek yogurt, lentils, or a small portion of lean meat. Incorporate snacks like nuts, cheese, or protein shakes between meals. Plan meals to include vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats for overall nutrition. Conclusion: sarcopenia doesn't have to be an inevitable part of aging. By focusing on protein-rich alternatives, resistance training, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D and calcium, sleep, hydration, and small frequent meals, seniors can rebuild muscle, improve strength, and regain independence. Small, consistent steps lead to long-lasting improvements in energy, mobility, and overall quality of life.